Hey everybody, Chris here. In this video, we're asking the question, what's going to 10x from here first? Bitcoin or Dogecoin? And I ask this question because, as you know, if you've been watching me on my videos and live streams, I've got cash sitting on the side. I'm not investing more in the crypto market right now. Yeah, I've got my bags of other things, but right now, from this point, if you were to buy now, what would you rather buy? Would you rather buy Bitcoin or Dogecoin? Or maybe something else? Let me know in the comments below. Also, please be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that little notification bell so you can be notified when my new videos come out and when I do live streams. Right now, live streaming both on Monday nights and Friday nights. We have a good chat about Dogecoin and other cryptos, everything else that's going on. Always a good time. So I asked this question because we're at a point now where we think cryptocurrencies are cheap, but we have this overall economic condition around the world that's pretty tough. Still have high inflation. We still have raising interest rates. We have an energy crisis that seems to be encapsulating the globe now. It's just spreading out everywhere, where it's going to be a tough, real winter, not just crypto winter. And we could have this bear market and crypto winter dragging on and on for months. So I'm not buying yet. I still have my cash sitting on the side, but I'm always asking myself the question, when I am ready to buy, when we see that next really big dip, which I think was going to happen, what am I going to be buying? So at a high level, it's Bitcoin or Dogecoin, but we'll also look at some other coins as well, and I'll show you what I'm looking at. So start here with the current Dogecoin chart, and here's Dogecoin, bounced off 6 cents again early this morning. So 6 cents seems to be very strong support for Doge, trading at this level now. Bitcoin had dropped again just below 20,000. Now trading just above it, but 20,000 seems to be a line that we're talking about for Bitcoin. So 10x, we're talking about if we buy Dogecoin right now at 6 cents versus buying Bitcoin right now at $20,000. That's where they are now. If you're ready to buy, you're going to buy now. Which would you rather buy? Well, if we go to Dogecoin and we go out to the daily, and we zoom out and we look at Doge, and these are the charts I show all the time here. 10x from here, from 6 cents. Where is Dogecoin going to be? It's going to be at 60 cents, right there. Well, guess what? Dogecoin's already been there. It was there back in 2021. In May of 2021, Dogecoin was at 60 cents. So to 10x from here, Dogecoin would have to come back to a level that it saw in May of 2021. Bitcoin, however, Bitcoin's high was here back in November of 2021. Let's call it 69,000. 69,000. Well, that's only about a 3.5x from here to go back to its all-time high. If Bitcoin was going to 10x from here, it would have to go from 20,000 to $200,000 per Bitcoin. That would be a 10x from here. That's way off the chart. That's not only would Bitcoin have to go past 100,000, but then 150,000 and then to 200,000. So comparatively, Dogecoin versus Bitcoin, it would seem Dogecoin's already seen its 10x. Bitcoin, it's 3.5x to get to its all-time high, and then it's got ways to go before it gets a 10x. That's what I wanted to point out. But there are some others that I'm looking at. Well, let's look at Ethereum. $1,500 for Ethereum. Well, if Ethereum was going to 10x from here, that would be 15,000. Its all-time high wasn't even 5,000. It was 4,870, let's say. So it would have to go to 5,000, then to 10,000, then to 15,000 to see its 10x. So I'm not buying any more Ethereum right now. So what else am I looking at? Well, I mentioned this on my stream the other night. Solana. Here's Solana. Solana's at $31. I'm guessing Solana is probably going to dip down maybe $26, $25. Guess what its all-time high was? $260. That's a 10x. So Solana could do a 10x from $26 up to $260. That would be revisiting its all-time high. A lot of good things going on for Solana. They've had a few challenges, yes, working through them, but just purely from an investing point of view, Solana has a better chance of doing a 10x than either Ethereum or Bitcoin, just based on its past trading. Now, does that mean that's actually going to happen? No, we don't know that. But just in looking on what cryptocurrencies you might want to buy now at this level during this bear market and looking at possible returns, Solana and Dogecoin certainly look a lot better to me as having potential gains up to 10x than either Bitcoin or Ethereum. So some of you may be asking, so Chris, when are you going to buy? When is going to be the right time? Well, we're never really going to know what the bottom is. We could have already had the bottom and we're never going to get that low again, or we could see not only the same bottom, but maybe even a deeper bottom happening sometime this fall. That could happen. When I do buy, it's probably going to be one of those big dips. Will I get the actual bottom exact? Most likely not. But right now, looking at Doge, I'd rather be buying Doge at 5 cents than 6 cents. Doesn't mean that Doge is going to hit 5 cents, but that's my target right now. I don't know exactly when that's going to happen, but I've got cash ready to make that purchase when and if it does. If then, for some reason, Dogecoin drops even lower than that and is down into the 4s, and I bought at 5, well, probably going to have to scrape up some funds and buy some more. Bitcoin, we could see Bitcoin going back down to 17,600 and may even drop down to those targets of 14 and 13,000 that I talked about last week. And we'll be talking about that again more on live streams and what those potential bottoms are and what's sort of behind those numbers, how the crypto markets are being manipulated. So please be sure to catch my next live stream Friday night and then again on Monday. Let me know in the comments below what you think about what's going to 10x first between Doge, Bitcoin, or something else. Give the video a like. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.